and welcome to Uma's Kitchen. Today we are going to cook a unique recipe which is suitable for eating during fast or vrat. Vrat ka dosa. Although some of the ingredients have to be soaked in water for 2 to 3 hours, the rest of the recipe takes just a few minutes to prepare. So first let us start with the ingredients for vrat ka dosa. Tapioca pearls half a cup, barnyard millet or samak ke chawal 1 cup, raw peanuts 1/4 of a cup, salt according to taste, 2 green chilies and cumin seeds 2 teaspoons. Besides, you will also need little oil. First, we have to soak the tapioca pearls, samak ke chawal and raw peanuts in water for about 2 to 3 hours. So here I have already soaked these 3 ingredients for 2 to 3 hours. Now we are going to remove the excess water and maybe if required we are going to use it later when grinding. So I have drained out most of the water, only kept just a little which is required for grinding. Now I have transferred it to a grinder jar and I am adding green chilies, cumin seeds and salt by taste, and now we have to grind it into a slightly coarse batter. You can add some more water to this if you want to make it thinner, but the consistency of this batter should be same as the batter that you use for regular dosa. Here I think the consistency is good, so I don't think there is need to add more water. Now heat a griddle and then add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of this prepared batter in the center of the griddle. Then using the back of the spoon, spread it to make a circle. Very thin, just like a regular dosa, and spread some oil along the edges and little bit in the center. Now allow this to cook till you see little browning along the edges. As you can see, there is enough browning on the lower side, so it is time to remove it from the griddle. You can fold it like a regular dosa if you want, and this delicious vrat ka dosa is ready to serve. You can serve it with simple jeera aloo or with lemon pickle, which is suitable for fast, or any other chutney like coconut chutney or peanut chutney that can be eaten during vrat. This is such an easy and simple recipe that you will enjoy eating it not only during vrat but also as a snack or for breakfast. Please remember to post your questions or comments, and also remember to subscribe and like. Thank you.